Good morning, y'all. It's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and your KSC Bidding Consultant and owner of the KSC Building. So now I'm here on my field account. I'm scheduled for a deep clean next week, so I'm coming to check the water source. I got a new phone. I'm not turned it over. Let me see. That ain't what I want. Alright, so here's the water source. There's a hose here. Because what I want to do is power wash these bleachers. Blow out all this dirt or sweep it, however, and power wash it. So it could look like stains like this. You know, stuff like that. So I want to clean these up real good. Yeah, so we'll power wash. Gotta make sure I got a hose long enough to come up here. So this is one of the projects for next week. And then we have carpet cleans, 12 rooms next week. And we have a construction project coming up. I did get awarded. We have a construction project coming up at the end of the month. Alright, so let me see what kind of, if I need any tools. Nope, it has a turn, so I don't need no tools. Alright, that's all I wanted to check and make sure I have what I need to do what I wanted to. Alright, y'all, talk to you later. Yeah, so this is a day in the life of a business owner. At least it's the day in the life of me. So, since I don't have to be on the apartment terms, I'm building the next projects for the team. Got a reoccurring, I got to get a date for it to start. Yeah, so I might take a ride and go look at the construction project if I'm able and go see what that scope looks like, although I was awarded already based off the square footage. So I need to go see what I need to take and what the scope looks like. All right, y'all. Let me continue on my day. All right, so now I'm at the storage unit. And I'm supposed to have 4 more techs, so I need 4 more caddies. Need to prepare 4 more caddies. Yep. And one thing good about the sweat, it's in Spanish too. So they'll be able to understand. Like if I write them messages in the sweat, it'll go to them in Spanish. So that's gonna be amazing. Only thing I'm gonna be locking with them, and then I know they'll be real creative. I don't have those toilet brush caddies. I only see one. So I only see one. So I don't have enough for all 4, but, and then I want to put full bottles of everything in there. Yeah, so I want to set them up for success as well. I want all of them to be successful. But this here makes it another crew of 4, as long as the bathrooms can get done. That's the main thing. Yeah, the other team, the contractors team, they I went yesterday to see what supplies they need, and I noticed, and I put glass cleaner in there. That's strictly just for mirrors, but apparently they must have been trying to clean windows with it, so I had to teach them about that yesterday, because there's not no way in the world a brand new window cleaner, and this is not it, but this is the example, should have this much window cleaner in there in less than a week. So that told me that they are not doing it correctly. And then not only do I critique them, my project manager critique them, and then the property manager critique us. So it's getting like triple looked at, or triple touched, whatever, however you want to say it. All right, I don't need this in here. All right. I need 1, 2, 3 toilet bowl cleaners. Yeah. Yep, so after I do this, I can enjoy, well, no, I can't say I can enjoy the weekend because I gotta go down there tomorrow, so I can guide the team I'm taking tomorrow. Yeah, I don't want them to be in the blind, and then after tomorrow, I won't have to go. So I don't mind going. Gloves. And something else I saw yesterday when I went to check supplies, and this rocks my nerves. Now, y'all know when you put a wet towel against your glove boxes, that your gloves is going to get messed up. And so, oh shoot, that stuff splashed right on me. Wait, I gotta go rinse this. That was toilet bowl cleaner. Somebody would be in there. Let me use my water and a towel, because that went up to my face. Yeah, that wasn't no acid cleaner, good thing. But the toilet bowl cleaner splashed up in my face from that caddy. I think that brush is wet. But what was I gonna say? Oh, so I go and check the supplies, and I see all these loose gloves. Like, they let us use this big, like, look like a laundry bin. And I look in there, and there's gloves all at the bottom, all out of the box. The boxes is all wet. Now, mind you, I took them 200 gloves. So today I sent down some oven cleaner, and they was like, we need some gloves. I said, y'all definitely don't need no gloves. Looking at one of them little black bags down there in that caddy, in that cart, and there's a whole bunch of gloves in there. I mean, there was a ton of gloves that was at the bottom of that thing. I almost getting ready to get an attitude about it. And then I take home the what am I missing? I take home the dirty towels to be washed, and I dump the towels into the washer, and just like this, a whole stack of gloves fell out, brand new gloves, just like this box open. Like, it's just crazy. Well, maybe it's just me. I have to take care of my stuff. Yeah, I'll take care of my stuff. Yeah, so the project is going well so far. But now we'll be able to step it up a notch because I got some more help. And not only that, they specialize in residential. So this is right down their alley. Wow, there was a bunch of toilet bowl water in this thing. That was dangerous. Yeah, so I'm excited about them joining the team. And I actually had called them when I first got awarded, but for some reason, I didn't think about them. And they called me today, so it was perfect. Perfect timing. God always comes through. All right, so that's everything. I need more detergent for them. And I gotta get some brooms and dustpans. And some more flat mop system. I got a couple flat mops that's right by the office on client site that I'm gonna go and get. Yeah, I'm gonna do that so they can mop too, because we're not using mops. They're all wooden floors. It don't make sense. We're gonna flat mop everything. Okay, I got towels. I got all the new towels in my car still. Oh, let me put one of these scrubby things in there. This box was a good buy. I mean, I got 10 of them. I forgot how much I paid for them, like $7 or something like that. All right. So I got one in each one. Put some razors. I don't think. There's razors on site if they need them. I'm not taking no more. There's razors on site. All right, broom dustpan. People are moving in. I'm trying to get a cart. There's been somebody in there. It's been locked for a minute.
I just want to throw away.
Yeah, it's locked. Somebody must be in there. Yep, so trying not to take real dusty brooms. Like, that been on construction sites, they look a hot mess for them clean apartments. But one thing, I gotta make sure my name's on all this stuff. And I ain't been worried about taking my big dustpans because they in residential. I've been giving them these. And I used to throw these away. I'm glad I got some now because that saved the dustpan dilemma. Which I need another one. So I need to have 4 more brooms and dustpans. I wanted to do, I got any more of them red dustpans. Let's see. I'm so quick to throw them away. Let's see. No, but oh yeah, I did. That's probably why this ain't fitting like it should, because these dustpans in the way. And I got some gray ones. That is probably exactly why my stuff wasn't fitting in here good. Yeah, so I got enough. One thing though, y'all, I'm getting tired of loading up my car with this stuff. This is my van. Detergent. That's everything I need. Now next week, I'm have to go supply shopping again for the carpet cleaning. And then to replenish for my janitorial what I used on this project. Alright, let me see if there's a free cart that I can pack my stuff. Alright, y'all, so see if I can learn how to flip this. Nope. Oh yeah, let me say this, y'all. I hope you guys is getting opportunities because they're just coming crazy. So, need some help putting them together, just reach out and continue to like, comment, subscribe so y'all don't miss nothing that I got for y'all. Or if you got some questions, put some questions in there. I'll help you guys out so we all can win. Just remember, consistency wins.